Look at these epoxy countertops that we manufacture. We can do this in your home over your old existing countertops, or we can fabricate brand new ones. Our advanced color techniques will blow your mind at the realism that we can create with stunning effects. This costs much less than natural stone, and you will be amazed at the looks that can be achieved. We can fabricate earth tone countertops, we can do rock face edges and undermount sinks. This is our copper metallic. It looks so deep, and we have a little bit of green patina and our Cape Cod. This is an amazing color that is just incredible. This is our rock face edge that we're creating striations through, and look at how deep the color is. We can literally take your space and customize it just to what you need. This is our blue lace, and we love this color. We can also do speckled effects and speckled granite looks. And in our expert finishing techniques, we make everything look flawless. This is our marbling technique. We can make it look like black marble. And here's our infused copper. This is a really cool color, and our materials are very heat resistant. You can actually set hot pans on them in case of emergency without ruining the surfaces. We can put veins just where you want them, and the veins turn out extremely realistic when we're all finished. We use a two-part system that cures extremely well. We use some of the most advanced epoxy techniques on the planet. This is just a great color that we can produce. This is our infused silver, and we have our Calcutta marble. We can do any sheen level. Feel free to contact us anytime for a free estimate. You'll be amazed at how much we can save you over natural stone. We can renew countertops and desktops, mantles, tabletops, you name it, we can coat it. Don't throw your old countertops away. Call us today. We'd love to come give you that free estimate anytime.